So here's a design that has made me over $40,000 in sales. And all it is a custom sticker sheet. So here's an order that I got today. People just order stickers with words, that's it. So they order 10 sheets from me. They want these 10 words, one on each sheet. So here's one's called eating. So this is my Photoshop file. I have it set up like this to start. I just go find and replace text. I type in reading or whatever word was sitting there, and I'll type in eating. Then I'll just hit change all. And this will change everything to eating, and they wanted it in black. So then I just save this as a PNG file after I duplicate the words to fill this sheet. This is a specific size sheet that I sell. I sell a quarter sheet, which is this, and I also sell a half sheet. So a half sheet, I can fit 2 sticker sheets on 1 letter size sticker paper. So I'm going to save this to my desktop. So I'm going to save this to my desktop as a PNG file. And then I open up my computer program called Silhouette Studio. It's for the machines I use. They're called Cameos. I have 8 of them. I have a Cameo 4, but there's a version 5 out now that I believe is a little bit more quiet. These work fine for me, so I still keep using them. If I want to add more of them, then I'll buy the new one and try it out. So the program is opened here, and I just create a new sheet. This isn't a tutorial or anything. I'm just doing a quick video on what it looks like. So I just create a new file here. I put in my registration marks, and then I'm just gonna upload my sticker sheet to this file here. So eating right there. So see those red lines? That's where it's gonna cut. So it's gonna cut around that so they can peel off each word. So this purple line that I just made will cut out the entire sheet, so they can hold that sheet in their hand and they can peel off each text off it.